This is how to make stabilized whipped cream frosting made from powdered whipped topping mix. These are the ingredients: 1½ cups of powdered whipped topping mix, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/2 cup of milk powder, and 1½ cups of ice water. Also, we are going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. In a large bowl, place over another bowl of ice water. Add all the ingredients. Beat the mixture at low speed for 2 minutes using an hand mixer. Then turn the speed up to high and continue to beat for 5 to 8 minutes until stiff peaks form. You can use your stabilized whipped cream to frost your favorite cake or cupcakes, or you can store into the refrigerator until ready to use. It also works great for piping. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes.